beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this peanut smoothie. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So this is my peanuts and I'll go ahead pour it into my bowl and I'll add in my seed bit. Okay, so the seed has been removed already. Next I'll add in my milk. I'm using half cup of milk for this. I'm gonna cover this for 10 to 15 minutes, and after 10 to 15 minutes I'll come check on it, and next we'll be blending it. So I'll go ahead to transfer the soaked peanut and date into my blender, and I'll add in the remaining half cup of milk. So I ended up using 1 cup of milk for this in cinnamon powder, and I'm gonna blend this till it is smooth. Thank you beautiful people for always coming back to watch me. I really appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. So our smoothie is ready. See you in my next one. From me is bye.